Hi, good evening everyone. Uh, Today I received this little Pickguard here from Peouguard, and I would like to put it on my Les Paul Supreme. Front and back. It's pretty guitar. A lot of people said if you have a pretty guitar like this, especially the flame top is pretty, you should take your pickguard off if you have it. If you don't have it, don't put it on. You should show the beauty of the wood. But I'm not that type of person who like that. I like I believe that a Les Paul guitar should have a pickguard on. It look better with a pickguard. To me, it is anyway. So it's just me. Anyway, I'm gonna try to put the thing on and see how long it's gonna take me, okay? And how easy it is. So I need a screwdriver. Take the screw off. Come off easy. You want to take it all the way off. Long screw. And the one right next to it, you just want to loosen it up. That should be enough. And this one's also loosen it up. And this one he said take all the way off as well. So short screw for the front. All right. I take the pickguard out of the bag. Yeah, not bad. I'm going to lift this thing up a little bit to slide that two little tab here underneath the ring guard, underneath the pickguard ring. Yeah. The guy make it look easy, but he do that every day. I don't do this every day. New to me. Huh. Feels good, surprisingly. The guy must know what he's doing. I think I'm in place. What do y'all think? Okay, now I need to put the little screw back on. Hope we line up. Hope we line up all the time. Just snug it first. I don't want to tighten up too much yet. Snugging all of them. Put the last one back on. Hope we line up. You better pray for that time. You cross. So I'm going to put the last screw back on. So far, so good. Okay, now so I'm snugging all of them. This one a little bit more. And this one a little bit more. Yeah, nice and steady. That's good. Okay, and there you are. I think it's done. I'm gonna peel this protective film off to make it look nice and shiny with the glossy black plastic. Anyway, this is the I think he called it the lock or Supreme or whatever. It got three plies on the pickguard. Wow, it's pretty. Okay. Yeah, nice and pretty. Throw in here. Except one thing I'm missing, Peouguard. I don't have any a little black tape to cover a little hole here. Damn you. I think I found C here this morning, so I'm gonna get one out there. All right, and there you are. Pickguard in action. Good night, guys.